Difference is between that the English medium, now that globalization is going on. Due to this time, actually the whole world is now moving around the globalization. During that Assamese medium schools also, then government also adopted the from the lower classes, they adopted the some English subject of in the maths and then that social study also. So regarding this time, this rural area, especially the backward area, we need some the English medium school. In this place, in the Barbala, this is the rural area actually, and that area it is covering that. I think the whole the society will support her, and that from the flower blooming school that's will light to the all the societies. Finally, what kind of message you want to for the students? Yeah, finally we can say that it is a very good school, and if the guardians and the parents and the other societies they will support that schools, surely one day that school will be the lightning in this whole the society, not only the society in the district and all over the Assam also.
আজির হওয়া উপস্থিত শিক্ষক আমার এই ঘর গ্রুমিং একাডেমির শিক্ষক শিক্ষয়িত্রীসকল উপস্থিত মুৰব্বীসকল এবং আমার ছাত্রছাত্রীসকল আসন গ্রহণ কৰিম আগামীও আপোনালোকে সহায় সহযোগিতা কৰিব।
বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম فصدق ولا صلى ولكن كذب وتولى ذهب إلى أهله as a guest, but I am not a guest. I am also as a simple man instead in front of you. So first, I will request to I will deliver the speech in the Assamese because most of our people are there. They are speaking Bengali and Assamese. I think they will be happy for that. মই আসলে আপোনালোকে মোক এতে গেস্ট কৰি আনিছে জনাব আমাৰ একাডেমিৰ অধ্যক্ষ বাইদেউ।